Wow, look at it all uncovered now. How come I get the heavy end?
What do you mean you got the light end?
I got the heavy end.
Zeb, as if I need more stuff laying around, and
like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
alright, taking a ride over to the Zebsters. Pick up Sharon's lumber. The heavier stuff, I think it's 1 or 2 inches thick. Beautiful weekend here, Easter weekend. Alright, let's jam a little.
Alright, I am back at our neighbor's sawmill. Oh, look at that thing. That is just so pretty. Look at the sun shining on it. Wow. Okay, anyway. So remember these slabs that I was going to get? It was way too heavy, and I think it was just because it rained and they were wet. Who knows? I mean, I probably could lift them now, but just in case, I brought mussels. Look at that. I brought the Kioti because I think... Huh?
What about me?
Oh. Yeah. I brought Joe just in case the Kioti couldn't lift all the boards. So we're going to put them on the bucket here and haul them back over, and you know what, I guess if it needs a little help, are you willing to help it out?
I guess if I have to.
Okay. All right. Look at these pretty babies. All right, let's get to work. How come I get the heavy end?
What do you mean you got the light end?
I got the heavy end.
All right, that's probably 2,000 pounds right there that we just lifted.
All right. I don't think there was anything. Except maybe that one. Wow, look at it all uncovered now. Look at that pretty orange. We don't have a whole lot of orange in the shed, do we?
We have reached our quota of orange.
Oh.
And the fact that you have such an awesome neighbor that said he would cut you anything you want at any time. Why would we get a new sawmill? I mean, is that not a valid point?
Oh, you want a counterpoint? We could be here all day long.
Let me strap your wood down.
Yeah, strap my wood down. Oh, she is a pretty one, though. You know, I could always paint it a different color if you didn't want orange. Like if you wanted green.
cut. I'm sure Miss Kay could make some real beautiful stuff out of it down the road. Turkey strutting out in this field. Probably a little early yet.
Forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Gee, thanks, Zeb. As if I need more stuff laying around. And she wants her own sawmill now. Come on, man. What kind of neighbor are you? No, it's all good, man. We appreciate it. And we'll probably be putting you to work here. If we do that cabin rehab, we're going to be looking for like roofing lumber, just scrap junk stuff, but it could happen. I'm out of windshield washer juice too. That's a bummer.
Well, not bad for a scrap yard picking. They're just sitting out here for now. We got some homemade stickers between them. And I'm going to get a piece of tin or something just to cover, because I know they're not supposed to be in direct sunlight. And then I'll seal off the ends to keep them from splitting any more than what they are. But they are beautiful. And yes, there's lots of space between the wood and the railroad ties, because I didn't want the creosote coming off on the wood.